Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a video clip on Capcut. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or your social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So to do this, you want to first open up Capcut. Next, you want to tap on New Project. And now you want to load a video. Now I'll tap on Add at the bottom right. Now to reverse this clip, you want to select the clip in the timeline. And now from the bottom here, you want to swipe left until you see Reverse. So go ahead and tap on that. This will now start to reverse the clip. And now it has reversed the clip. Press play to preview it. And as you can see, the boat is going backwards. So there you go. That is how to reverse a clip on Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.